Ezekiel, can you hear me? Hello, Ezekiel, can you hear me?
Yes,
All
sir.
right, right. Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. I was just asking Said, so I will ask you too. What was the last topic in mathematics?
Sir,
What was our last topic in mathematics?
log greeting.
Logarithms. Yes, logarithms. That's very good. So, and that we're going to be looking into more examples today. Okay,
Yes, sir.
more examples. So, talking about more examples in logarithm, we I was trying to ask Said, which I'll ask you too. Do you remember some of the laws that you mentioned during the last class, logarithm?
Sir, is it the rules law?
Yes, the rules. Yes.
Okay. Yes, sir.
What's the first rule that you mentioned?
Log B raised to power m times
Okay.
n.
Okay. What we're trying to say with that law, are you hearing me?
Yes,
Is that
sir.
if you have a log, let's say example one, if you have a log, let's say log 2 base 10, and you are adding it with another log, let's say log 5 base 10. Are you with me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So the solution is that you are going to combine the two log. You're going to do what?
Combine
combine
the two
the
logs.
So they are
rows.
going to have a common base, which is base 10. Then you multiply the log themselves. That is 2 times 5. And that gives me 10 too. That will be log 10 base what? Is 10.
Base.
And if I leave my answer like this, I am not correct. Okay?
Yes, sir.
I have to take it because there's another law that says log of m base m must be 1 if they are the same. Are you getting that?
Yes, sir.
So I can now say log 10 base 10. What will be my final answer? What is my answer now?
Log 1.
No, just 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So whenever you have a log and the base being the same, you have 1 as your answer. So let's look at more examples that will lead us into combination of the logs. Let's assume we have log 162 base 3. Log 162 base 3. Now log 162 base 3 minus log 2 base 3 minus log 2 base 3. So what am I supposed to do, any one of you?
Combine them times 162 with
2 times 2.
Okay, very good. So log of base 3, then I will now have 162. It's not times 2 now, it's divided by 2. Why is it not times?
Because of the minus.
Because of the minus. So and so that would be log, what is 162 divided by 2? How many 2 is in 16? 8. How many 2 is in 2? 1. Base.
1.
Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very good. So since you now have this, you will discover that the base is 3, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
sir.
So since the base is 3, I cannot leave my answer like this. This is still not in the smallest form. I will have to look at a base for 81. That will be 3. And that is 3 raised to power 4. What is 3 raised to power 4? 81. What is 3 raised to power 4?
81.
So the log now becomes log 3 raised to power 4 base 3. Are you with me?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And one of the laws said the power can come to the back of the log. Yes or no? So that will now be
Yes,
4 log 3 base 3. So what do you think my answer will be now? 4 times what? 1.
4 times 2
And that will be 4. Where did I get the 1 from? This one, where did I get the
from
1? From
3.
log 3 base 3. Very good.
from 3.
Very good. So put that down while we move to the third example. What is that? Is it your pen or what?
Yes.
Don't worry, don't worry. Just follow up, because I will send you the link to watch the lecture so that you can later put down the notes. Just make sure you get the explanation. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Going to look at another example now. Let's assume you have something like log 8 base 2 plus log 4 base 2. Say log 8 base 2 plus log 4 base 2. So what do you think this would be side? Or what am I going to do?
Combine together.
Yes, I'll combine. Ezekiel, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So log of base 2, I'm going to say 8 times
6
4.
times 4.
So, and that gives me 32. Log of 32 base 2. And you know that 2 is a factor of 32, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 2 in how many places will give me 32? You know, 3 in 2 places is 4. In 3 places, that is 2 times 2 times 2, that's 8. Then raised power 4 is 16. Then 2 raised power 5 is what? 32. So this now become log 2 raised power 5. Then base 2. And the 5 is going to come to the back. We have 5 log 2 base 2. And my final answer is what? 5, not
5.
yes. My final answer will be 5. So is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So put down what is on the screen. Then we'll move to further examples. Like I have one example here that have unknown value, which is value x. Let me see what that is. They're telling me here. Where to find x in this. So are you true now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ezekiel.
No, sir.
Okay, let me turn the first page so we'll be able to move on. For that example, on logarithm, I don't want to clean the topic. So, talking about more example, let's look at this example, and we're going to draw there. And this example might show us that our logarithm can also lead us to another topic. Say, let me see this. Okay. Are you true now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's write this. Let's write log 500. That's number what now? Number 4?
Yes.
So log 500. Let me see. This is kind of take it out space. Log 500 base 5 minus log 2 base 5, okay. So 500 base 5 minus 2 log 2 base 5. Let me clean this part because I'm going to need more space. So while you are seeing the question, just be ruminating on how you think we're going to solve it till I'll finish writing that question there. So log 500 base 5 minus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 32 base 4, let me see, plus log 2 base 4. I don't think that ends there. Then plus log 8 base 4 is plus log 8 is 4. So this is what we want to solve. Are you with me now?
Yes, sir.
Now you can see the first two log have base 5. They have base 5. Log 500 have base 5 and log 2 have base 5. While the next two have base 4. So you are going to treat them differently. So this will be log of base 5 is 5, then 500 over 4 plus log of base 4, then 32 times 8. Is that clear to you?
So how do you get 4?
Aha, I was thinking you're going to ask me. I purposely skipped a step there. Do you know that these two at the back is the power of these two?
Yes, sir.
And what is 2 square?
4.
That's where I get my 4 from. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is clear. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, what is 500? Okay, let me just take this as an entity and take this number as an entity. So, log of this base 5 and log of this base 4. Here now, the base are not the same, so I can't combine right away. So, what I can do is to have log 125 is 5 plus log, what is 32 times 8? 8. Yes, what is 32 times 8? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
32 times 8 is what?
256.
Very good, 256. So I have log 256. 256 is 4. Now, we have 5 being a factor of 125, and we have 4 being a factor of 256. So 4 times, 5 raised to power what will give me 125? That's 5 raised to power 3. That is log of base 5, then 5 raised to power 3 plus 4 raised to power what will give me 256. That should be 4 raised to power 4. That should be what?
4 raised to power 4.
So log of base 4, then 4 raised to power 4. So you can see now that this is nothing but 3 plus 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
How did I get my 3? That would be 3 log 5 is 5 plus 4 log 4 is 4. 4 log 4 is 4. And that will be, log 5 base 5 is 1, so that will be 3. Then log 4 base 4 is also 1, that will be 4. And that will be 7 as the final answer. I believe that is clear. Is that clear?
No, sir.
Who said no? I'm hearing a voice that is not in the class. Ngozi, what are you doing here? Hmm?
Is
Okay.
Isaiah.
Who? Who is Isaiah? Don't mind that. Isaiah. All right. So Ezekiel, is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So we're going to look at more examples now. Let's look at this example. Okay, this one has x. Log x is log x plus 5 minus log x minus 1. Log x plus 5 x minus 1, so number 5. Number 5. Log x plus 5 minus log x minus 1 equal to this. So log x plus 5 minus log x minus 1 equal to log 10 minus log 2. So equal to log 10 minus log 2. Now, what is the base of this log? Side. What base is there? Is there any base?
No.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Whenever you did not see any base, you take it as base 10. Take it as what?
Base 10.
Very good. So that means we can still combine them, on the two sides. So this is going to be log of base 10 into x plus 5 divided by x minus 1. Then equal to log of base 10 divided by 2. Log 10 base 10 divided by 2. Is that clear to you now? Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Because this is minus. That is why we are dividing the two brackets. And this is minus. That's why 10 is being divided by 2. So here now, I still have my... You can now cancel out the log of base 10. Then you have x plus 5 over x minus 1 equal to... What is 10 over 2? That's 5. So you cross multiply. 1 times x minus 5, that's going to be, 1 times x plus 5, you multiply this and multiply this. So 1 times x plus 5, that's what? X plus 5.
Yes, sir.
And 5 times x minus 1, that will be 5 into x minus 1. So here you need to open your bracket. You need to open your bracket and, okay, let me, hold on, please. Let's try to keep that side.
What's up, Mika? What's up?
Isaiah, you know me.
Now, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. So, from where we said, let's see. Okay, so we have x plus 5 multiplying 1 is x plus 5, and 5 multiplying what? X minus 1. And that is going to be 5x minus 5 here. So what I have here is x plus 5 equal to 5x minus 5. Is that clear to you?
No, sir.
Okay, do you know how I got my x plus 5 here?
Yes, sir.
Look at the bracket. What is on the right side here? This is 5.
1.
No, 5 into x minus 1. Yes or no?
Yes,
If you are
sir.
going to say 5 times x, what does that give you? 5x.
5
And
x
5 times 1 gives you what?
5.
And there is minus there. Now, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, the next step is to collect like terms. Collect what?
5 times.
So 5 is here, 5 is here. X is here, X is here. So we are collecting like terms. So I have 5 on this side. Then this negative 5 will come out for positive 5. While on the other side, I have 5x. Are you getting that?
Yes, sir.
Then the x that is here will come to become negative x. To become what?
Negative x.
Very good. Negative x. So let me divide this side so that you see it. Now, as it becomes negative x, what I now have, what is 5 plus 5?
10.
10. So I have 10 equal to, what is 5x minus x?
5x.
5x minus x is what? Ezekiel, what is 5x minus x?
5x minus x is good.
Okay, Said, what is 5x minus x?
5.
No. When
5x.
Listen. Let me use another example. Let's assume you have, look at this circle. Let's assume you have 4 apples minus 1 apple. How many apples do you have?
3.
3 apples. So what is 5x minus x now?
4.
4x, not 4, but 4x. Is that taking 4x? So when you have 4x, you now say 4x equal to 10. Then x equal to 10 over 4. Then we can say x equals to what? 5 over 2. And finally, x equals to 2.5 or 2.5. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So do you have any questions so far on the examples we have solved?
No, sir.
Okay, if there's no question, that means we can call it a day for now and tomorrow before English class. So thank you very much for attending today's class. And see you tomorrow by then. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So have a nice time. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. See you.